And right now on the radar, things are pretty quiet for the southwest Florida coastline. We've got showers and thunderstorms over towards the Bahamas and down in the Florida Keys. Now this cluster down along the 7-mile bridge from Marathon back towards Key West is weakening a touch, but you still see some light rain there just to the west of Flamingo. As we work our way north, Marco Island, Chokoloskee, all the way through Estero, we are dry. You can see Fort Myers up towards Cape Coral and a couple little specks of green trying to show up there. And we can't rule out the chance of a coastal shower here early, but right now we remain dry. Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda, we're waking up to temperatures near 80 degrees in both locations with low 80s down towards Marco Island. And as you head inland, we're at low 70s. You factor in the humidity, which remains high here across southwest Florida. It feels like the upper 80s along the coastline, and these heat index values are going to be key today. The National Weather Service has issued a heat advisory for the northern part of our viewing area, DeSoto County on through Sarasota County, as those feels like temperatures will be near 110 degrees from about noon until 6. For the rest of southwest Florida, near 105, and we'll continue to monitor this to see if a heat index or heat advisory is needed later on today. So our sunset time is near 8:24, only a 10 to 20% chance of a light shower or two inland, and over towards the east coast, that rain chance goes up as the westerly wind across the state focuses that attention along the I-95 corridor. For Friday, a little more moisture around, so we'll bump that rain chance up to about 30 to 40%, but notice the flow is still across the state with the big showers and thunderstorms on the other coast. So all of this is attached to an area of low pressure the National Hurricane Center has been watching over the last couple of days, and they are giving this a high chance of developing as it moves off the coast of North Carolina. Most of the rain is off towards the east, away from the center. Now, as this continues to pull up the eastern seaboard, it is likely to become the next subtropical or tropical depression or storm later on today or tonight. Now, the National Hurricane Center has this at 80%. This is one of the areas that we look for in the month of July for the potential for hurricane development. Now, as far as the Ingham Marine forecast today, some showers and thunderstorms inland. Keep an eye to the sky just in case, but the seas look pretty good. 1 to 2 feet, light chop there on the bay water. So up to 94 today. Going to be a hot one. 92 is our average. And as we go through the overnight hours, nice and warm, 79 degrees. The rain chance comes up here over the weekend. We'll bump that rain chance up near 60%, and that'll help keep our temperatures a little bit cooler. We're forecasting 91 for Saturday and Sunday.